Hello everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I put together this display for the shelf in my kitchen. I started off this display by adding something large to the middle of the shelf. I picked this sign, which I made quite a long time ago, for the pop of red that it has. I then added this crock, which I found at the thrift store, to the right side of the shelf. To mimic the height of the crock, I found this enamelware coffee pot with an adorable little red handle, and then this little bouquet of flowers, which I had put together at some point. It's white flowers and like boxwood trimmings. The flowers fit perfectly into the coffee pot, so I placed that on the left side of the shelf. I recently found this rolling pin at the thrift store, so I decided to add it in front of the sign in the middle of the shelf to add a nice warm wood tone into the mix. I then rounded up two of my tin houses that are on the smaller side. I love these houses so much, so I always look for a chance to add them anywhere I can. I thought I could get away with adding them into this display, and I'm thinking I like the look. I added one to the right side in front of the crock, and then I added a taller one on the opposite side, and I think it looks pretty good. The smaller house I found at the thrift store, and then the larger one I picked up at Michael's last winter around Christmas time. And then to the crock I added some wood kitchen utensils from my collection, which I have found at the thrift stores over the years. I also had this small crock on hand, and I decided to add that into the mix just because I felt like I needed a little something else on this right side of the shelf, and I think it's the perfect little touch. However, now I feel as if the coffee pot is a little short, so I'm going to use this stack of plates to mimic the height of the crock with the wooden spoons in it on the opposite side, and I like the look of that a little bit better because they're both about the same height now. To the hooks underneath the shelf, I added this red and white gingham apron, which I found at the thrift store, and I absolutely love. I feel like I use this all the time on this shelf, but it's like perfect, and I love it, so I always use it. And then to the middle, I hung this wire trivet, which I also love. I found this at the thrift store as well. And then I have this rug beater, which I recently found at an occasional sale, and I love the shape of the wire on the top, and then the red handle I think is perfect for this little display that's going on. And then finally I had one more little tin house, so I decided to add that into the mix as well. And with that, my new kitchen shelf display was complete, and I'm liking the look. I hope you enjoyed today's video and this look into how I built this new display in my kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.